Hello, my name is Diamond and I'm going to take you through our fiscalization solution. So what I have here is SAP Business One and I'm going to show you how it works. So the fiscalization solution was made native to SAP Business One. So this is a native solution for SAP Business One. So I'm going to show you, after installing it, if you go to tools here, you're going to be able to see this option that says fiscalization. And you'll be able to create fiscalization objects. Those are user fields and tables that are used, to configure the fiscalization solution. So once you're done with that, the next thing, of course, is for you to go to tools. Then you just come to user-defined windows. Then you use the FDMS one. So I'm doing it for Zimbabwe. We've also done it for Uganda. So I think this one is specifically for Zimbabwe. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So this is the table that needs to be configured. Here you put the code, unique code of course, then the name, then you put the device and the key that will be used to connect to our fiscalization API. Then you come here, if there is any logo URL or path that you want to set, you can always set it up here. Then the environment, there is the test and the production. So I'm doing it in tests. You also have an option to fiscalize invoices. They are created in SAP Business One, and you can also do the same for credit notes. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to, after setting up everything, you just close this window, then you go to the invoice, then you select the invoice. So you have an option to create and fiscalize at the same time, or you can be able to fiscalize a document that would have been created already. So I'm just going to show you that on a document that exists in the system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click here. You're going to see a fiscalized document option here. Then you just click fiscalize here. So while it's fiscalizing, this platform was actually made to get raw data from SAP, so you don't have issues with templates. These templates that needs to be adjusted, there is a new edition, what. The system reads everything from SAP and sent to the revenue authority. All right, so the document has been fiscalized. So if you come here and you click here, you should be able to preview. So these are some of the advantages that this system has over other systems. So it reads data directly from the system, so it's always accurate. It doesn't fail 99.9999% of the time. All right, so here you have a preview that is fiscalized. So you have an ability to see a fiscalized document in SAP, which is something that you're not able to do with any other fiscalization solutions. So you can be able to, edit this and be able to put the QR code where you want it to be. Those are some of the advantages that you have with using this platform. So I've done the fiscalization here, and you also have an option to, right click, and you can be able to, fiscalize the document and do many other things. Since we've already fiscalized it, there's no need for us to do that. So in the event that you want to see the details, you can always see the details here. As you can see here, there's the agent, the provider, then there's the QR code, then there's information about the verification code. You also have the day number, the device ID, and all that. So if you copy here and you paste it in the browser, you should be able to see that the invoice has indeed been fiscalized. So I'm just going to show you how you can also do it on our point of sale ERP system of Van Sale, many other solutions. So let me just navigate back here where I can show you how you can achieve the same thing. So you can come here. This is connecting directly to SAP. So it's reading everything as you are seeing in SAP. I can come here. I should be able to see that this is the same document that has been fiscalized, and the details, everything is here. As you can see here, so I'm using a database that we're using for a different localization. And as you can see, the invoice is valid here, and these are the details that are there. This is the same invoice that you saw in SAP. This system is connecting to SAP. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to navigate back. Let me just navigate back here. I'm just going to do a little bit of some escape here so that I can navigate back to the window that we are on. Let me just maximize it to increase the screen estate. All right, so this is how you can always verify if you had actually scanned the QR code on the document that I showed you. And the beautiful thing about this is you can also be able to send emails directly from SAP for fiscalized document, and you can find the document any day, anywhere, from anywhere, that is fiscalized. There's no more fiscalized documents are in this folder. They can only print from this. You can print anywhere with this platform. And you also have another option here through our customized platform that we've developed that will show you all the fiscalized documents that are there in the event that you of course want to use this platform. So you can actually choose the dates and it will show you all the fiscalization. So this one, I think, since it's as you can see, BWP, they use different tax rate. That's the reason why it was on 14%. That's the reason why it failed to fiscalize. So if you do this, it will show you exactly what is happening here. Invalid tax percent, as I alluded to. All right, so what you're going to have to do here is I'm just going to show you how to do it. You can simply be able to do the same using our platform. So you come here, then you select the business partner. So I'm going to use the cash business partner here. I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to select the item. As you can see, this is basically the same as how you would do it in SAP. So dates for today, currency, it is already selected the currency from the business partner. So I'm going to come here and use this item. I'm going to use this item. The new information is in kgs, of course. Then the price is that it's coming from the price list, of course. And the quantity, I'm going to put 3, and the VAT is coming from VAT, from the item master data in SAP. So everything is just happening in real time. So I'm just going to click here and I should be able to, let me just put some funny quantity here. Let me just put maybe 6. All right, then I click here. I should be able to see that the document has been fiscalized. So the system is actually doing the creation and the fiscalization. So this has been done. So if you want to create and fiscalize later, you still can be able to do that because you have this option that allows you to fiscalize. So there are many other features that you can use from this platform. Then if you want to see whether it has been fiscalized, you can still be able to click here and you'll be able to see details about the document. So if you also want to get into SAP, as you can see, this was the last document that was in the system. If I move to the last one, I should be able to see that this is the document that has just been created. And if I come to preview, I'll be able to see the same details. So you also have the ability to be able to see information about documents that have been fiscalized from within SAP itself. So you can run your return reports in SAP and know all the documents that were fiscalized from within SAP. And another beautiful thing is if you cancel the document, the system will automatically do a credit note to Zimbra. So that's how intelligent and how good the system is for those that are using SAP. So this is a native fiscalization solution for SAP Business One. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.